Good morning, all of you. Class 10. Today's topic is Democratic Politics, chapter number 1, Power Sharing. First thing, what is power sharing means? Power sharing means the power of the government that has been shared between different organs of the government. Now look at this one. Ethnic, first one point is what? Ethnic point, ethnic group or ethnic system. Ethnic means what? Ethnic means here a social division based on the shared culture. Here ethnic also means that same physical structure, same cultural people, whenever they exist in a country, they are called what? One ethnic group. You know that in our country, different culture, different religious, different language speaking people and the different region. According to that, we have the variety of ethnic group. Next one is what is majoritarianism or majoritarianism. Majoritarian or majoritarianism means what? Whenever the majority community, majority means whose number is maximum. Majority community should be able to rule. That are called what? That are called majoritarianism. Ethnic group or ethnic composition, variety of ethnic composition in India in the same way. In Belgium also there are variety of ethnic composition depend on the language. In the year 1950 to 60, this 10 years, there was a big conflict between the French-speaking people and Dutch-speaking people. French-speaking people, there was 40% French-speaking people in the country, and Wallonia region. Wallonia region was having that. Wallonia region was having 40% the French-speaking people and Dutch-speaking people, 49% in Flemish region. Flemish region is a place where we can see the Flemish region, the Dutch-speaking people, 59%. So in the country, if we consider it, that the Dutch-speaking people are maximum. But in the capital city, Brussels of this Belgium, we can see that 20% people, only 20% people are speaking this Dutch, but 80% people are speaking French. That's why the conflict starts between these two language speaking people, French speaking people and Dutch speaking people. This difference, this conflicts is a big conflict in Belgium. How this Belgium, the problem of different language was solved. Besides the French speaking and Dutch speaking, there was one person who are German speaking people. How it was solved? First, the equal number of ministers for both the groups. Both the groups means here French speaking people and Dutch speaking people are same in the percentage of and equal number of ministers also there in the government, both in the central government and in the state government. Next one is the point is the more power of the state governments, the more power were given to the state governments. When equal, that means the state government were not the subordinate government of the central government, they had a separate government. Equal representation at the state and central level. That means in the central level and state level both equal percentage of ministers, equal percentage of representatives were settled. Next, fourth point, there was a big thing that is community government. Community government means Dutch speaking people government and French speaking people government. They both are the different government to maintain the culture, to maintain their society. And last point, that is power sharing was divided into first one this horizontal power sharing, or second one is vertical power sharing. What is this horizontal power sharing? Horizontal power sharing means the three organs of the government, that means legislative, executive and judiciary. These three levels of government, three different parts of the organs of the government were distributed their power, that are called what? Horizontal power sharing. Next one, vertical power sharing. Vertical power sharing means the power has been shared between the different levels or tiers of the government: central government, state government and local government. Local government means municipality and panchayat. That is called what? That is called vertical power sharing. Now come to the last point of this chapter. Power sharing is desirable. Why? Why power sharing is desirable? Because of two causes. First one, prudential cause, prudential, and second one is a moral reason. What is the meaning of prudential reason? Prudential reason means what? The calculation of gain and loss. That is called prudential reason. Prudential reason also reduce the conflict between different social groups. Then, as for example, in our country, in India, reservation took place for the minorities and for the women in the constituencies. That means in panchayat level, in local government, we know that 1/3 seats are reserved for women and minorities also. Minorities means those numbers are less. As for example, Sikh people, Jain people, then Muslim people, Christian people, they are called minorities. Now come to the moral reasons. What is the moral reason? Moral consideration is there. It is also called the democratic spirit, the basic spirit of democracy. And in fact, in India, if we see the decentralization of power, that is the example of moral reason. Okay, so we completed 3 points. First one, ethnic composition. Second one, what was the conflicts in Belgium. Third one is power sharing is desirable or not. And fourth one is vertical and horizontal power sharing. Thank you for watching this video.